The other main thing we're working on today is figuring out how to get this very ugly cherry wood finish. This video does not do it justice. It is like black cherry. It's so bad. We're redoing all of the inside of this cabin. It's rough. I've already taken, as you can see, all the cabinet doors and drawers. I took this home with me several weeks ago. I've started working on figuring out the best way to get this finish off. But I wanted, since I can't take this out of the boat and bring it home into my workshop, I'm working on figuring out the best way to get it off here. So, I got some tools for Christmas that I'm going to try. This set of scrapers works really good. Then I got a whole bunch of card scrapers. As you can see, I have already been testing out how to get it off. But it's coming off pretty well. But as you can see, this wood it got a very, very defined grain. And that's going to make it a little more tricky, because I'm either going to have to do a lot of sanding or use chemical strippers to get this stuff out of here so it's one good color, so that we can refinish it in the color the boat was originally. As you can see, I've been doing some test strips and stuff. If you have any suggestions on the best way to do this, please tell me. I'd love to hear them.